think that would work?
What? Shoving him in there? I don't know. Let's see. How big is it?
I don't know.
Cameron!
Wait, this is kind of like a swirly, except... Wait. You're the ass.
Yeah, it's filming. It's filming, not taking a picture. So.
Alright, I'm getting in.
Oh, wait, this is like Mikey.
Mikey, swirly time.
Now they're trying to put Steven in the garbage can.
Hey!
I'm taking a friggin' video. You're
Yep.
evil.
I have some interesting videos from the bus too.
Wow.
So is anybody going in the garbage can? Is anybody going in there?
No! I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Maybe I'll do that too.
Okay, that doesn't really count. Oh well. Whoa! Okay.
No, I'm wearing shorts.
You're wearing shorts.
Yeah, we got enough ass in my face for one day. Oh my god.
Oh yeah! I remember we wanted to do this.
Okay, hold on, Tommy.
Daniel?
That was a bad idea.
Wow.
I was really had that. That was a nut crusher.